2 contests reward you above and beyond your base IC earnings for driving both initiations and conversions. The monthly initiation contest is ongoing into 2021. You continue to have the opportunity to earn for driving new business based on both percent and absolute initiation growth over baseline. The top 2 ABMs per region every month will earn $1,500 and $750, respectively. In addition, a quarterly conversion rate contest will offer even more earning opportunities. The conversion rate is based on the number of patients out of the total initiations who have dispensed commercially within a defined time frame. You will be measured on both conversion rate and conversion growth rate. The conversion rate is calculated as patients commercially dispensed in Q1 2021 divided by total patients initiated from October 2020 to March 2021, but not dispensed until December 2020. For example, if you had 10 total initiations within the noted time frame and 7 commercially dispensed in Q1 2021, your conversion rate would be 70%. Your conversion growth rate is the total increase in conversion rate from Q4 2020 to Q1 2021. You can check your conversion rate baseline on the Field Hub. To increase your chances of winning, make sure to surpass your Q4 2020 conversion rate and initiate at least 6 patients from October 2020 to March 2021. The top 2 ABMs per region for the quarter will earn $4,500 and $2,250, respectively. You can win up to $9,000 in Q1 2021 by ranking number 1 in your region for both monthly initiations and Q1 conversions. These contests offer robust earning opportunities and help accelerate your base IC plan.